cast nets have been around for a long time, and they're still one of the simplest ways to catch live bait. Still, not every net throws the same or sinks the same. In this video, I'm going over the best cast nets and what makes each one worth a look. The options I picked come in different price ranges, and each one fits different fishing situations. So it's a good idea to watch the full video and see which one lines up with what you need. You'll find the links to all the nets down in the description. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions about a specific net, drop them in the comments. Let's get started and take a look at the first cast net on the list. Number 6. Mullet Fishing Cast Net. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to catch live bait, this option keeps things pretty straightforward. It's built for saltwater use and aims to give you wide coverage without a big price tag. At number 6, the Mullet Fishing Cast Net comes in a 4-foot radius, which opens up to about 8 feet across. The mesh size is 3/8 of an inch, so it works well for many common bait species. It's made from nylon monofilament, and it uses zinc-plated steel weights along a continuous weight line to help it sink evenly and close tight at the bottom. The 6-compartment horn is meant to reduce tangles, and the double reinforced edge along the weight line adds extra strength. You can choose from sizes starting at 3 feet and going all the way up to 10 feet radius, which makes it easier to match your skill level. It weighs around 4 pounds, so it's manageable for beginners. Some buyers say it's easy to throw and ready to use right away. Others mention durability issues over time. For a budget pick, it gives you a simple entry point into cast net fishing. Number 5. Basic Gear Cast Net. Taking the 5th spot, this pick leans into versatility without pushing into a higher price tier. It's meant to work for beginners, kids, and more experienced anglers who just want something simple and reliable. The version here has a 6-foot radius, though you can choose sizes from 3 feet up to 12 feet. Mesh options include 3/8 inch or 1/4 inch, which helps you target different bait sizes. The net uses reinforced monofilament nylon, paired with galvanized zinc iron sinkers rated at about 0.75 pounds per radius foot. That weight setup is meant to help it sink at a steady pace. At the top, there's a Japanese stainless steel swivel, and it comes with a neoprene wrist strap to keep control steady during the cast. You get a repair kit, instructions, and a storage box in the package, which adds value for a budget model. A lot of reviews mention that it's easy to throw and opens nicely in shallow water. Durability feedback goes both ways, with some users happy long-term and others seeing wear after a handful of trips. Number 4. Phytech RS 750 Super Spreader Cast Net. At number 4, this next net shifts the focus to lighter weight and easy handling, especially in tight spots. It's built with shallow water and kayak anglers in mind. This model comes in a 5-foot radius, though there are smaller and larger options available. The mesh is 3/8 inch premium monofilament with a bullseye pattern that helps it spread out in a clean circle. It uses 3/4 pound weights per foot, and the total net weight sits around 4 pounds, which keeps it manageable for repeated throws. The hand line is a 20-foot braided poly line that floats, making retrieval simpler. You even get a comfort cuff for your wrist and a small belt clip aid to help with throwing nets under 7 feet. Many buyers say it spreads well and works great in creeks or water around 2 to 3 feet deep. Some feedback mentions that it sinks slower than expected for deeper water, and durability reviews are mixed. For a budget option from a long-running US brand, it offers strong value, especially if you fish shallow areas. Number 3. American Pro Cast Net. Stepping into the top 3, this net leans more into heavier weight and long-term use. It's built for anglers who want a stronger setup and real lead for a quicker drop. This one comes in sizes from 4 feet up to 12 feet radius, giving you plenty of room to scale up. The mesh is 3/8 inch, and it's handmade from reinforced monofilament nylon. What really stands out is the use of 1 pound of real lead per foot along the bottom line. That extra weight helps the net sink fast and close tight. Each mesh is tied multiple times to the lead line, and there's double selvage netting around the horn and bottom for added strength. A stainless steel swivel connects up top, and the multi-section horn is built to reduce tangles. You get a repair kit, storage box, and even an instruction e-book. Many buyers say it spreads wide and sinks evenly on the first throw. Durability reviews are mixed, with a few reports of the horn separating after heavy use. Sitting in the mid-range, it offers a strong mix of weight, coverage, and support. Number 2. Betts Old Salt Cast Net. Holding the number 2 spot, this one has built a strong name over the years. It's the kind of net many anglers recognize right away. The version here features a 7-foot radius, which spreads to roughly 14 feet across in the water. It uses 3/8-inch monofilament mesh and real lead weights along the bottom line to help it drop with good balance. The panels are made to be more flexible, so the net opens up easier instead of snapping back. There's a rubber grip and a simple wrist loop system that tightens once you slide your hand through. One feature that stands out is that it floats, which can make retrieval less stressful if it slips out of reach. You'll find several size options, including smaller 3.5 and 4-foot models, plus color choices like white, green, and multicolor. A lot of feedback highlights how easy it is to throw and how well it works for minnows and shad. Some users mention tears or loose drawstrings after heavy use. In the mid-range category, it brings proven performance and a long track record. Number 1. Lee Fisher Joy Fish Cast Net. Taking the top spot, this net is built for anglers who want heavier lead and tighter mesh for smaller bait. It's geared more towards serious use, especially in shallow water. The radius here is 8 feet, and it's offered in 6 and 7-foot versions as well. The mesh is 1/4 inch square, which helps keep smaller bait from slipping out or getting stuck. Along the bottom, you get 1.25 pounds of real lead per radius foot, giving it a strong drop and tight closure. The total weight comes in at just over 12 pounds, so it has some heft. It uses 80-pound test braille lines and a stainless steel 10/0 swivel at the top. The 25-foot handline gives you room to work from shore, pier, or boat. The skirt-style design helps it open smoothly, and many buyers say it spreads wide and keeps bait contained during retrieval. Some mention that the weight can feel tiring over long sessions, and a few would have liked an added wrist strap. Sitting in the premium range, it delivers serious weight, tight mesh control, and strong overall build. So that's my full list of the best cast nets. From budget-friendly options to heavier premium setups, there's something here for different water depths, bait sizes, and skill levels. If you'd like to keep watching, there are more videos on the channel waiting for you right now. You'll find more helpful breakdowns and comparisons there. Thanks for spending your time here, and I'll catch you in the next one.